Menteri Katanat Boarding UIT Mondal ula penpau bawatla ke Jinglong Jingman Liang ke Pisa Tyngka ke Meecl kala nangkiu Henry kadang donhi Bteng ki Jingeh Liang ke Pisa. Kani katanat kamdan syu ya kiram kisha like no ya ka NTPC ka bansa pendep no hausnem arja arpunyo arpupra ka sarkar dangshan kala play ya ka scheme one time settlement lani ka OTS arja arpusan banyarap ya kinong pendon kam boarding bansiu ya ki bai boarding ki bidangsa da ka jingtmu banlum kumba shispa khat kandai kelur na kinong pendon kam boarding ki pa pendon kam hapo kasan kilowatt da ka baterwa arpusan kelur kum ka jing penhiar dor. Wala Bteng ka Jingduh nong Menteri ula banjur bagi nong pendon kam boarding kidai ban yo katu kat ni ki jing pelaj man kamsting ka jing sio.
Health of Meecl, you must be aware that under tremendous strain. But we are working. There are a lot of steps have been taken by the corporation, and on that basis, it is worked on. Lots of dues are to be cleared also for other utilities also. But as far distribution utilities concerned, I told you earlier also that except NTPC, all other utilities are not having any dues at present with us. So we are improving, but we need some more time to neutralize everything.
Kut no ka